Join me now as we journey into the fascinating world of butterflies, unveiling the mysteries of these miniature masterminds. The story of a butterfly is one of dramatic transformation, a testament to the power of metamorphosis. It begins with a tiny egg, carefully deposited on a chosen plant. From this humble start emerges a caterpillar, its primary focus to eat and grow. It devours leaves, storing energy for the incredible transformation to come. Then the magic begins. The caterpillar encases itself in a chrysalis, a silken cocoon that becomes a sanctuary for change. Inside this mysterious chamber, a hidden alchemy occurs. Tissues reorganize, colors emerge, and wings develop. Finally, the moment arrives. The chrysalis splits open and a butterfly emerges. Wet and crumpled, it slowly unfurls its wings, drying them in the sun's warmth. The transformation is complete. The once earthbound caterpillar is now a creature of the air, ready to take flight. Life for a butterfly is a delicate dance between beauty and danger. Predators lurk everywhere, eager for an easy meal. But butterflies have evolved remarkable strategies to survive. Some species, like the Indian leafwing, are masters of camouflage. Their wings mimic dead leaves, rendering them nearly invisible to unsuspecting predators. Others, like the monarch butterfly, embark on epic migrations, traveling thousands of miles to escape harsh winters. These journeys are a testament to their incredible navigational abilities, using the sun and Earth's magnetic field to chart their course. And let's not forget their taste for toxic plants. Many caterpillars ingest poisonous compounds, making them unpalatable to predators. This toxicity often persists into adulthood, providing a lasting defense against hungry attackers. Section 4. Icons of the insect world, the monarch and the swallowtail. Among the thousands of butterfly species, some stand out for their beauty, behavior, and ecological importance. Take, for instance, the majestic monarch butterfly. Adorned in vibrant orange and black, it's a familiar sight across North America. Their multi-generational migration is one of the most spectacular natural phenomena on Earth. Then there's the elegant swallowtail butterfly, with its distinctive tail-like extensions on its hind wings. These butterflies are known for their powerful flight and their penchant for nectar-rich flowers. Their caterpillars, often adorned with striking colors and patterns, are a testament to nature's artistry. These are just two examples of the incredible diversity found within the butterfly world. Each species, with its unique characteristics and adaptations, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. Section 5. A symphony of colors, the purpose behind the patterns. A butterfly's wings are more than just beautiful, they're essential for survival. Those vibrant colors and intricate patterns serve multiple purposes. For some, like the brightly colored monarch, the wings serve as a warning to predators. Their bold hues signal the presence of toxins, deterring potential attackers. Other butterflies, like the blue morpho, use their iridescent wings for camouflage. The reflective scales create a dazzling display of color when in motion, confusing predators and allowing for a quick escape. And of course, wings play a crucial role in attracting mates. The intricate patterns and colors serve as visual cues, allowing butterflies to identify potential partners of the same species. Section 6. A world of scents, navigation and the butterfly's nose. While we often focus on their visual beauty, butterflies experience the world through a different sense: smell. They possess an incredibly keen sense of smell, far superior to our own. Tiny receptors on their antennae allow them to detect even the faintest traces of scents in the air. This olfactory prowess is essential for their survival. Butterflies use their sense of smell to locate food sources, identify potential mates, and even find suitable host plants for their eggs. Imagine a world where scent dictates your every move, guiding you to sustenance, companionship, and the continuation of your lineage. That is the reality for a butterfly. bell icon for more incredible nature stories.